I'm back, baby. At nandito si Nicole. Papakita ko sa inyo ang galing ng mga stickers nila. Collaboration between me, syempre. Ako yung trainer, ako yung nagturo. Tsaka dun sa artistry nila, Nicole. So tingnan natin kung magigas sa isa-isa. Whale hunt, diba? Ito yung mga techniques natin, ginawa ng mga stickers. Tapos ilalagay doon sa mga tumbler. O, diba? Sino may alam na to? Take the wheel. O, sino makakahula? Paint a picture. Keep the momentum. O, legal club. Galing o, ginawa nila parang uno. Turn around question. Galing, di ba? We started from endorsement, now we here. Parang ano to? Ano to? Sino to? Sino kumanta nito?
Ako, rami mo to. Matatapos
Oh,
pa ba?
ABC, anong sabihin? Always be closing. Depth technique. Corner and let go. Ang cute oh. Tell a story sa design ng Toy Story.
Dapat kasama din.
Ito ang cute oh. How to eat an elephant. Pero siya yung kakain oh. Siya yung chef. Lulutuin niya. One pipeline to rule them all. Ganda ng mga design oh. Reverse shot up. Filter first, file second, win always. Galing. Filter, file, win in that order. Bestie. Galing oh, pang Gen Z. Oh, yes. Oh, bakit? Ba't apat? Diba? Gets nyo na yan. No ego ako. Galing. Ito ang cute oh. Shut up. Leave a rope. Galing, sarap idikit sa laptop oh. Collect, close, repeat. Crystal ball technique.
Kailangan mo to.
Ang kulit oh. Always be assuming. Cool. Believe me. Do not put down the phone. Galing. Oh, ito. Ito, matagal ko to na-gets. I-give. Di ba give and take? I-give and take. Do not over-anticipate. Stick to the deal. Galing, galing ng design. Endorse to recover. That's the glow up. Kulit oh, napaka-millennial ng pagkasulat. It's giving recovery. Galing ng design. Shoutout pala kay Cyrem, kay Ken. Siya yung artist natin dito. Nag-research saka nag-execute. Congratulations, galing. Tapos kung gusto nyo, gagawa pa kayo marami para sa lahat ng collectors natin all over the Philippines.
To see the face through your eyes as kung ano man yung mga specialization nyo, but also through the eyes of the people in your team. And sabi ko nga sa mga kasama ko dito na ang masyadong matalino yung masyadong matalino yung activity na natin na natutuwa ko kasi hindi nyo napapansin. Mahirap yung ginawa natin sa totoo lang. Mahirap talaga yun. But nakita ko kayo kanina when you were going over, para kayong may group project na, alam nyo, yung iniintindi nyo pa rin kahit mahirap. building. I don't know, or I don't need to know if from ground may choose become kayo na hindi. Para sa akin, kung doon pa lang sa ground, yung sa nila, tapos natutunan nila yung informatic reading, worth it na yung sleepless nights ko in building soft music. So, next, yun may last. Ayan, ito lang. Kasi baby door na ito. Parang yung door na kayo paano reading. So, I hope you guys enjoy my gift to you, soft reset, and thank you very much for, isa ba? Okay, sige. Hindi ko na maalala ko ano yung, ayan. So I care about how you're doing, and I want to give you something real. I built this because I want you to know how you are without making it a meeting or like a corporate form. It's my own authentic way of knowing if you guys are okay, and also try to give you something that I learned from my life as a wellness practitioner. So you don't have to use it perfectly. You just have to know that it's there. If you open